Hello guys and welcome back to another video of IT Insight 01. As when you surf the internet you might be see a short note written that the site has been disabled or not available in your country or disabled by the government. And there are some sites which are inappropriate content which can contain inappropriate content for the kids and teenage, and the blockage of some sites are also done in organization like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter are blocked by the organization so that their employee cannot visit their site. But there are still ways you can visit to your site, and while using public internet, that the open source of internet, you are not safe on that. As the open source, it is open source, so your all the details are visible. If there is some hacker sitting over that network, it can sniff your data cards, details and all which you are using over that network. To protect yourself, you can use VPN, virtual private network. So what is VPN and how it's work? What are the protocols used by the VPN and all? We see the entire video. So let's begin. California dreaming about you. A VPN, virtual private network, is a method used to add extra security and privacy to the private network like Wi-Fi hotspot and the internet. VPN are most often used by the corporation to protect their data so that the data cannot be go out of their building or the organization. So let's see how it's work. Working of VPN is not so hard to understand, though it is who are non-techie, but before that you need to get an idea of protocol or the set of rule used by the VPN. The layman terms we say the set of rule providing the personal network. First, SSL, secure socket layer. Second, IPsec, IP security. Third, PPTP, point to point transfer protocol. Last, L2TP, layer 2 tunneling protocol. So these are the protocol used by the VPN. So let's understand in the brief. SSL, it uses three-way handshake for proper authentication between client and the server machine, which uses the cryptography and keys are stored on both server and client. When you use a VPN, it encrypts your data in 256-bit of encryption technique, and key is stored in your VPN software, and another key is stored on the VPN server machine through which your VPN is connecting. Now the second protocol is IP security or IPsec. This work in transport mode and tunneling mode. So that it can do is its job of securing VPN connection. It uses IP security used in connection of VPN, your VPN software connection to server. Transport mode only transport mode only export the payload in data, and tunneling mode encrypt the entire data. So data is in packet form. So the transport mode only export the payload in the data. That means some of the which is protocol used and some attachment in your data packets which is done by the transport mode. And tunneling mode, it encrypt all the entire data. Now the third third protocol is point to point transport protocol. It connects a user location at some remote location with the private server in the VPN network, and also use tunneling mode. A point to point transport protocol is connecting two machines, your system using VPN through the server using a tunnel mode. tunneling is very necessary because this is the only part which protects your data from sniffing. The third person cannot catch your data packets and open up and see what the system is sending or what you are sending to the another system. L2TP, it facilitates the tunneling of data between two geographical sites. That means L2TP, it make tunnel between two countries. For example, if you are in India, current location is in India, and you are visiting a site where the site server are located in US or another country, to connect to that site, L2TP is used, which make tunnel in geographical connection. So I think you get the rough idea of various protocol in VPN. In short, first authentication, second tunneling, third encryption. These three steps are involved in VPN, so that your ISP cannot monitor you that what are you doing over the internet, or that some third person is keeping an eye on you or on your network, that what the people connected through your network are doing. If you are using a VPN, so there are some pros and cons. Cons, that it does not give you the quality of the internet service. Like if you are watching a video using a VPN, so there might be a speed issue or buffering issue. If you are downloading something, then there may be a speed issue which is not the proper as your plan. And the service upon vendor to vendor depend according to the fees you are providing to the VPN vendor. If you are using a free service of VPN, then it is not fully protect you. So if you are using if you are going in deep web or dark web, you must use paid service of VPN, which are more trustable than the free version of VPN. Free version of VPN only allows you to bypass the site which are blocked. So guys, if you like my video, then give a thumb up, and if you're new to my channel or if you're seeing my video for the first time, then go to subscribe and click the bell icon to get the notification of my video. Thank you.